Whatever like tell Ogba is what Ogba we gba. Whatever like tell Ogba is what Ogba we gba. Ifá orí mi rè o, Mr. Sare Jobi that you start to go in a lesson. Now because of Big Brother. So, over 3 months now, we never saw, we never woke. Everybody there on top of Nengi. And no more. Lekan Oluwalekan that Oyinbo turn to Lincoln. We doesn't care. So, but today is the final day. Baba Femoloju Arina. I know say Lekan is the winner. But the kind of stupid dream that I had yesterday night is bound to me on Pamileru. Big Brother no go doworu. You no go scatter everything. Because this Nenge, Ifa. Now so, if you clean your house, both house and outside, you pack all the dirty, you must leave that dirty to where they drop refuse. You cannot put inside fridge. Oh, possible. If we blow picking ices, the ice go open. Ifá orí mi rè o, àyà mi rè o, tí kò ní sáwó láfún, àkàrà rìgìdì ní sáwó gàrí ọ̀sán, aago méjì lọ́mọléèwé jáde, iná burúkú ní sun búrẹ́dì jiná, òkúlẹ̀lẹ́jà àtà, láìsí magí ọbẹ̀ kò ní dùn, ọ̀rọ̀ gbàgìdì, inú búrẹ́dì ní gbé, aṣọ ìbora èyí lápò. Adífá fún àmọ̀là nígbà tí ń tí ìkọ̀dé ọ̀fun bọ̀ wá sínú, aṣọ ewédú ló mú búra, ẹ̀wú gbẹ gírírí lọ́wọ́ sọ́rùn. Ifá orí mi rè o, ǹjẹ́ o kí làmọ̀ lásò mẹ́sẹ̀? Pààlà làmọ̀ lásò mẹ́sẹ̀ pààlà. Nobody go dùbúlẹ̀ kan, then go give am. Tinubu you hear o, Ifá Èkó. Sanwó-Olú you hear o. Whatever like tell Ogba is what Ogba we go. Whatever like tell Ogba is what Ogba we go. Lagos must not go back. It is me that go come. Lekan, because Lekan promised Ifa that when he collect the money today, by Monday he's going to buy train for Ifa. By Tuesday he's going to buy a helicopter for Ifa out of the money. He promised like that. And I know the guy will do it. Oh, the even generator. You know go like, make you take generator. Do pendant. You know fit. Use petrol, you don't do. Later, if you collect the money today, you must buy train for Ifa. You must buy a helicopter for Ifa. My people, as you hear this Ifa, I know say everything don't do okay. This Big Brother program, they good do. Now like NGO now. People who don't get money, they give them money. You are really trying. If anybody asks you, say, now who be the person who sponsor this Ifa? Tell them, say, now White Horse Transport Limited. White Horse Transport Limited. You want to buy a car? Come to White Horse. If not 2 million, they sell the car. They will tell you to pay 1 million and spread the remaining money to 12 months. That be that kind of bank where they go sell car, where then they sell 2 million for you for 6 million. White Horse Transport Limited, group of company, they will sell according to how then they sell outside for you, and they will bring clean one for you. Just pay 50%, and after they give you the car, 50%. Now me be the ambassador. Call my name 0803242 Udona Lameri. Ifá orí mi rè o. Wake up, where I wake up, I met 200 elephant that using Orikan gbọ̀ngbọ̀ngbọ̀n. Wake up, where I wake up, I met 200 erin that making Orikan gbin. I say, ẹ má fọ́, mo wà pẹ̀lú yín.